If you're experiencing issues making or receiving calls after updating to iOS 18, here are some troubleshooting steps that can help fix the problem. First, restart your phone. A simple restart can clear minor software glitches. For that, go to Settings, navigate to General, scroll down, click on Shutdown. Now, slide the icon to the right to turn off your phone. Wait for a few minutes, then click on the power icon. With that, your device will restart. Next thing you want to do is enable for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Next thing you want to do is update your carrier settings. For that, open the option General, click on the option About. If you find any pop-up over here for the updates, just click on the option of Update and update your carrier settings. Next thing you want to do is head back, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. Heading towards next solution, head back to the main page of settings. Now navigate to the option Apps. From the list of the apps, find Phone. Once you find it, open it. If you find the option of call forwarding over here, click on it and disable for it. Then you can head back, go to the main page of settings. Now navigate to the option Focus. Make sure you haven't enabled for any of these options. Head back, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone to its latest version. Lastly, what you can do is reinsert SIM card, remove and reinsert the SIM card or try using another one. Following these steps, you will be good to go. You will be able to receive or make calls from your iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.